starts with a single spark, just 12, but in seconds, everything changes.
One tree catches fire, then another, till an entire forest is an inferno. One snowball slips, and the mountain unleashes its fury. One tiny virus, multiplying into millions racing through a body, then a city. One clots, one blockage, and in a blink, life can stop. One atom split, 2, 4, and then boom, the world shakes. Wildfire, avalanche, diseases, death, power, all from a tiny first step you never saw coming. But here's the truth. Chain reactions aren't only about destruction. They also power the stars, cure diseases, light up our cities,